Coming in at number 1 is the Marbella Outdoor Collection. If you're seeking pieces with a more rectilinear aesthetic, the Marbella collection is the perfect choice. Boasting clean lines and contemporary design elements, Marbella effortlessly blends modern design with enduring quality. With its versatile configurations and weather-resistant finishes, this collection elevates any outdoor space into a sanctuary of style and comfort, inviting you to indulge in the ultimate outdoor living experience. Coming in at number 2 is the Matira collection. This outdoor ensemble masterfully reinterprets mid-century forms with a celebration of contemporary proportions and architectural detail. The tripod silhouette of the chairs is distinguished by the gentle curvature of the back and a split plain leg with a slender aperture that invites the light. The table silhouettes are distinguished by the same split plain leg detail. With sleek lines and refined craftsmanship, each piece exudes modern sophistication while honoring the timeless elegance of mid-century design. Coming in at number 3 is the Bondi Outdoor Collection. Bondi is another collection by Harrison and Nicholas Condos, combining contemporary indoor furniture's soft, elegant curves with sustainably harvested premium solid teak's durability. Featuring quick-dry reticulated foam technology, the chairs offer supportive comfort with fully upholstered bolsters and removable seat cushions. Sectional components are customizable and the tables masterfully crafted with a ribbed foundation add architectural interest to outdoor spaces. Coming in at number 4 is the Balmain Outdoor Collection. Drawing inspiration from the iconic arc of the Sydney Harbour Bridge, Balmain embodies a modern, minimalist aesthetic. Yet another collection crafted by Australians Harrison and Nicholas Condos, showcasing simplicity and finely tuned proportions. Each piece is masterfully handcrafted from solid teak and available in aluminum, exemplifying timeless elegance and exceptional craftsmanship. Rounding out the list at number 5 is the Santos Outdoor Collection. Designed by Spanish designer Mario Ruiz, the Santos collection is a streamlined and harmoniously composed set. The chairs are generous in proportion and rigorous in profile. Boasting a modular frame, they make a contemporary statement with bold upholstered cushions. The tables in this collection feature sleek frames with slender channels, offering rich texture and dimension, ensuring both comfort and modern elegance in outdoor spaces. And that wraps up our tour of this beautiful space. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this in the future. Your support means the world to me and helps us continue exploring amazing places. From all of us here at EST Collective, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next tour.